Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Penguin Learners. Okay, so last video we discussed about the outbreak of the revolution and how a national assembly started. And King Louis XVI finally accepted constitutional monarchy. So today we're gonna discuss about France as a republic. Okay, let's get started. Here is the context. We already completed the French society during the late 18th century and the outbreak of the revolution. Today we are going to discuss about France as a republic. So, France as a republic. As we know, King Louis XVI accepted the constitutional monarchy, but he secretly went into a negotiation with the King of Prussia. He was very powerful back then. All the monarchs around the Europe were trying to suppress the revolution in the France because they thought the revolution might impact other countries. So before anyone could do anything, National Assembly got to know about the plan. So the National Assembly declared a war against Prussia and Austria. So during 1792 here. So the sentiment towards the war of about among the common people was a war between common people and rich people. During that war, the people made a patriotic song. The most famous patriotic song back then was Marseillaise by Roget de Lille, and it's sung by everyone. And later, now it became the national anthem of France. So, and also thousands of volunteers joined the army. So many political groups were started to grow, and people slowly understood that they don't want to be under a ruler, and the constitutional right was only for richer section of people. So the poor section of people believed that they should go on with the revolution. So they joined a club called Jacobins Club. Women also started a club and tried to stay active during the protest. So it was the role of political clubs during that time. And let's talk about Jacobin Club. The club consists of less prosperous section of the society like artisans, daily wagers, workers, etc. And their leader was Maximilien Robespierre. They planned a uprising during 1792 and started a protest and went to Palace of Tuileries, Palace of King, and killed all guards of Louis XVI and kept hostage to both Louis XVI and his wife Marie Antoinette. So that's how they kept hostage the king. Now France became a republic. So how France became a republic? After keeping hostage to king, they did an election. There all men above 21 got the right to vote, but women still don't have the right to vote. This new assembly's name was Convention, and it abolished the monarchy and declared France as a republic in 1792. So after abolishing the monarchy rule, the court sentenced death to both Louis XVI and his wife Marie Antoinette by giving the reason of treason. Treason means when you not being true to your own people. So after the death of Louis XVI, the reign of terror started. So after the after the death of Louis XVI, which happened on 21 January 1793 at Palais de la Concorde, and people were happy about it. So the reign of terror was between 1793 to 1794. So now the Jacobin Club was playing the main role in the society, whose leader was Maximilien Robespierre. He started a severe control of punishment system. Whoever go against him, he sentenced him death by a machine called guillotine, invented by Dr. Guillotine. Its structure was a blade between two poles, and that blade worked to cut the head off. Robespierre wanted extreme form of equality, so he fixed every price of the food products. He fixed the amount of wages for every person. He converted church to offices. He went against people's faith. He made a rule to call people citoyen as male and citoyenne as female, not sir or madam. So after seeing this cruel rule, the people of that club go against Robespierre, and he convicted by the court and sentenced him death. He was punished by the guillotine machine during 1794 year. So after that, a directory rules in France started. After the death of Louis XVI and Robespierre, the France society became a little unstable. And that time a new constitution made by wealthier middle class peoples, and again gave the voting rights to prosperous older men. Two elected legislative council made. First, directory, which consists of 5 peoples. The directory council was more dominant. So due to that council, more clashes were happened between directory and legislative councils, and it made the political condition of France unstable. So due to that instability, French people started to fight among each other. It made the society very vulnerable, and it opened the opportunity for other countries to invade France. And to stop the invasion and fight, a military dictator came, who was Napoleon Bonaparte, who later became the monarch of the France, which you will study in upper classes. So Napoleon Bonaparte saved the country by for different invasion. So that's all for today's session. In next video we will discuss about women in France, women during the revolution. So okay, that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also click the notification bell to get further updates of the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.